Pisces, hi. Welcome to my channel Astro Tarot with Kyra. This is your reading for June 16th till the 22nd. I'll be looking at your recent past, current energies, and immediate future. And I'll close it off with a couple of cards from the universe. These are general readings, so they may not resonate for all of you. If they do, you can comment down this video below. If you want a personal reading with me, you can connect with me on Instagram and WhatsApp. To check out the link for that, you can check description or the bio of this channel. Okay, Pisces, let's see what do we have for you. Let's see Pisces, what is there for you for this week. Pisces यानी कि मीन राशि वालों के लिए क्या मैसेजेस देना चाहते हैं कार्ड्स, चलिए देखते हैं. ओके, बाय द वे Pisces, मैं आपको एक अपडेट देना चाहती हूँ. देयर इज अ डिस्क्लेमर that this type of detailed reading for every zodiac will be done only for the month of June. जून के बाद से जुलाई से हम एक नए पैटर्न में वीडियोस को पोस्ट करेंगे. सो टू नो मोर अबाउट इट, स्टे ट्यून्ड and we'll talk about your reading now first, then we'll continue with that topic. Okay. Four of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, Ten of Pentacles, the Empress, and the Hermit. Okay. Bottom of the deck is Three of Swords. Okay. All right, Pisces. So you are definitely hurt. Overall, I can see that. You are hurt because of something or somebody. I can see you being very, very focused on your work and money. I see you very, very, like I see you saving money. And I also see two characters here. So maybe there are two females or two males, or one is you and one is another female. And it can be for a lot of people. So I'm giving you three situations here. All right. So one person here is definitely like you are very much attracted to this person. Okay, this is very much evident here. And I also see you focusing on your family, or you are expecting something from your family. You want something from your family, that I can see very clearly. Okay, so but at the end I also see you being very, very analytical and being focused on your work and your life, on yourself. You are being very introspective right now, that how your life is going, where is it going, where is your family and you yourself are going all together, है ना? Let's see, let's clarify. Okay, होता रहता है कभी कभी. Okay, let's clarify. Four of Pentacles. Judgment, Three of Swords again, and Wheel of Fortune. Bottom of the deck is Ace of Cups. Okay, so definitely waiting for some money, or also upset because of money. Maybe there is some money which is stuck and you are waiting for it, you are giving it time, you are being patient, and you know that you will get it. So you are very, very patiently waiting for some money, and you don't want to lose this money. All right, so you are hurt also because maybe in the past you have lost a lot of money, or you know the value of money. सारी चीजें पैसे के ही इर्द गिर्द है. सो काफ़ी ज़्यादा हर्ट यहाँ पे इस पैसे वाले मैटर को लेके, तो ऑफ कोर्स ये चीज़ें क्लैरिफाई करता है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स क्लैरिफाई टेन ऑफ पेंटिकल्स हियर. लेट्स सी. You are also taking care of yourself a lot, I can see, Pisces. आप अपना बहुत ध्यान दे रहे हैं. You are taking care of your looks, you are taking care of your personality, your emotions, your mental peace. अभी आपका सारा का सारा प्रायोरिटी है आपका हेल्थ, आपका लुक्स, आपका ब्यूटी. ओके, योर मेंटल हेल्थ, योर फिजिकल हेल्थ, योर इमोशनल हेल्थ. बिकॉज आपको पता है कि आप जैसे मेंटली एंड इमोशनली होंगे वैसे ही आप फिजिकली दिखेंगे. लेट्स क्लैरिफाई टेन ऑफ पेंटिकल्स नाउ. Six of Cups, the Hanged Man, and Seven of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Chariot. Okay, so maybe some of you are missing your mother, or maybe some of you are very much connected with your mother in your family. और आप जिन पे सबसे ज़्यादा अपने फैमिली में ट्रस्ट करते हैं, हो सकता है वो आपकी मॉम हो या आपकी कोई एल्डर सिबलिंग्स, ठीक है, या सिबलिंग. You feel very stuck or unfit in your family right now. You feel that your family is different and you are different. There are two people, है ना? So you feel कि there is something which is not right और मुझे अभी बहुत कुछ करने की ज़रूरत है. And you're being very particular with your decisions and with your things that you speak in the family. क्योंकि आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप कुछ भी कहते हैं, कुछ भी करते हैं तो फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, ठीक है ना, फैमिली डायनामिक्स में आपकी वजह से. सो यू नो कि आपके घर में सब लोग अभी खुश हैं और आने वाले टाइम में भी मे बी देर इज सम काइंड ऑफ अ सेलिब्रेशन दैट यू पीपल आर एक्सपेक्टिंग. So you are very very choosy right now, and people are also in the family expecting you to be very much cautious about your choices of life and choices of decisions. Hmm? So that is the thing right now. Okay, let's clarify the Hermit now. Let's see what is it. So I think that your family dynamics are okay. It's just that you have to understand that why you are feeling stuck and what is this hangman doing with you. We should work upon that hanged man thing, that's all. Temperance, Four of Pentacles and Two of Wands. Bottom of the deck is Seven of Pentacles. So you are being very very calm and composed right now. You are holding on to yourself and you're waiting for the future now. You are also analyzing that what has been डन इन योर लाइफ टिल नाउ. अभी तक आपके लाइफ में आपने क्या क्या किया है, आपके साथ क्या क्या हुआ है, एंड आज के बाद से प्रेजेंट से लेके फ्यूचर तक का जो आपका ये जर्नी है, इसमें क्या होना है, इसमें आपको क्या करना है, व्हाट इज योर कंट्रीब्यूशन टिल नाउ फ्रॉम द पास्ट टिल योर प्रेजेंट, और आगे भी क्या आपको करना है, व्हाट शुड बी योर कंट्रीब्यूशन इन लाइफ. तो बहुत ही प्रैक्टिकल लेवल पर अब आप अपनी चीज़ों को लाइफ में सोच रहे हैं, विच इज़ वेरी गुड. You are not being very in dreamy world. You are now understanding the depth of the practicality of life, जो कि अब आपसे भी कहीं ना कहीं एक्सपेक्ट किया जा रहा है. That is why now you are taking care of yourself a lot. And वो जो एक hurt feeling है, that is coming because of the past experiences and your past in the family and in the life. Family निकल रहा है तो मे बी फैमिली में भी आपका कुछ तो अभी रोल बहुत ही ज़्यादा सिवियरली चल रहा है. Okay. Let's see that. All right, let's see what are the messages for you from the unicorns. So as I was telling you all about my new update regarding the zodiac readings, so from the month of जुलाई के महीने से हम अलग अलग तरीके के वीडियोस आपको यहाँ पर इस चैनल पे मिलेंगे, एंड जोडियाक की रीडिंग्स आएंगी, बट इस तरीके से जैसे मैं एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ, मे बी इस तरीके से वीकली रीडिंग ना आए, बट आई विल ट्राई टू पोस्ट समथिंग. आई एम स्टिल वर्किंग अपॉन इट कि किस तरीके के कैसे वीडियोस मैं आप लोगों के लिए प्रोवाइड कर सकूँ. सो आई एम समवेयर एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग विद दिस. इफ यू लाइक इट, यू कैन टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. And if you want to add on something from your side, any contribution आपके side से advice का, I will definitely take and I'll see that what is possible from my end, right? But at the end, I will think that what should be the best option that I can, do for you in terms of zodiac readings. Okay, let's see what are the messages for you from the unicorns. Very quick reading this time for you, Pisces. बहुत ही जल्दी हो गई आपकी reading. Okay, King of the Unicorns. You are blessed with majesty, vision, and power. Wow, lovely. बाय द वे मुझे कमेंट्स में बताइए कि आपको ये यूनिकॉर्न के मैसेजेस कैसे लगे आज अभी तक, बाय फार जितने भी आपने देखे हैं इस वीक, मतलब इस मंथ मैंने पूरे यूनिकॉर्न्स के ही ऑरिकल डेक यूज किए हैं. King of the Unicorns. The King of the Unicorns has an open heart, third eye, and crown. He is a mighty being, and this is a special card calling on you to stand in your power with dignity and majesty. Affirmation for you is, I act regally. Okay, so this means that your crown chakra, your third eye chakra, and heart chakra is blocked. Definitely, you need chakra or blockage removal and some balancing. तो आप चक्रा हीलिंग मुझसे करवा सकते हैं उस केसेस में. यू कैन रीच आउट टू मी थ्रू व्हाट्सएप एंड इंस्टाग्राम एंड आई विल टेल यू द डिटेल्स अबाउट इट. एंड अपने चक्रास पे मेडिटेट करना भी आपके लिए भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो यू कैन थिंक क्लियरली एंड कनेक्ट विथ योर इंट्यूशन really well in this situation. All right, very nice reading. And I think you will now move towards the practical side of life and very, very nicely in the very correct manner. Hmm? Okay, lovely reading for you this time, Pisces, and that was all for your reading this week. I'll see you guys in the next video next week. Till then, take care, bye bye, and God bless.